How to manage and change email frequency on your account on Freelancer. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to change email frequency on your account on Freelancer. So all what you have to do is go to Freelancer. This is the home page. Log into your account, go to the top, click on your name and click on settings. Now after you click on settings, you will find many options here. Click on email and notifications and scroll down and you will find the email frequency right here. As you can see, you can change it for every hour or monthly or whatever you want. As you can see, it's very easy. So if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the very end. See you later.